Did you know that most high school students graduate with a resume that won't even make it past a quick scan? Think about it. Your dream internship or college opportunity could pass you by simply because your resume doesn't stand out. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a resume in high school that gets noticed, opens doors, and sets you up for success. Your high school resume isn't just about listing classes or grades. It's a way to tell your story professionally, showing initiative, skills, and achievements. Colleges, scholarship committees, and even employers aren't just checking boxes. They want to see potential. Most people won't comment. If this surprised you, type what shocked you the most. Like it so this story doesn't die here. Subscribe, because the next one will hit even harder. Here's a fact. Recruiters often spend fewer than 10 seconds reviewing a resume. That's why clarity, focus, and strategy matter more than ever. Building a strong resume now gives you a huge advantage later, whether it's for internships, leadership programs, or college applications. Let's break it down into 4 key steps to make your resume stand out. Step 1. Focus on impactful experiences. Don't just list soccer team member. Highlight your contributions. For instance, captain of the soccer team, organized weekly practice schedules, and led the team to the regional finals is far more compelling. Numbers and results immediately show leadership and initiative. Step 2. Showcase your skills. Skills are what make you memorable. Technical skills like coding, social media design, or Excel proficiency are important, but soft skills matter too. Communication, teamwork, and problem solving can be framed to show real-world value. Surprisingly, recruiters often rank soft skills higher than specific technical skills for high school applicants. Step 3. Highlight projects and initiatives. Experience doesn't only come from jobs. Personal projects, volunteering, or starting a small initiative can make a huge impact. Did you start a school blog, run a charity drive, or build a simple app? These experiences show creativity and initiative, qualities colleges and employers absolutely love. Step 4. Keep it professional and clear. One-page, easy-to-read formatting is key. Use clean fonts, consistent headings, and bullet points to make achievements stand out. Remember, clarity beats creativity. If your resume is confusing, no one will take the time to dig deeper. Take Alex, a high school senior from Chicago. He wanted a summer internship at a local tech startup, but had no formal work experience. Instead, he highlighted a personal coding project, designing a website to help students track their homework. He clearly explained the problem, his approach, and the results. The startup noticed his initiative immediately. Not only did Alex land the internship, but his project led to mentorship opportunities and a scholarship recommendation. The lesson? Your resume tells a story. Focus on achievements and impact, not just activities. If you ignore building a strong resume now, opportunities can slip through your fingers. That summer internship could go to someone else, a scholarship might pass by, or your college application could blend into the crowd. On the other hand, a well-crafted resume sets you apart, signals professionalism, and opens doors earlier than you expect. Here's how to start today. First, list your top experiences and achievements, and focus on measurable results. Second, identify both technical and soft skills you can demonstrate, and frame them in context. Third, highlight 1 or 2 personal projects or initiatives that show initiative and problem solving. Even spending an hour each week updating and refining your resume now pays off exponentially. Building a standout high school resume isn't about having every award or job. It's about telling a clear, impactful story that shows your potential. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one project or skill you've worked on that could make your resume unforgettable? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more students can get ahead before graduation.